Hello, welcome back to BSLIVE. Today I want to show you something really simple but easy, and you can do this with any of your footage on your smartphone. So if you ever had a lot of unused footage on your mobile phone and you want to use it inside Blender, you can, and the result can be really interesting. I'm gonna show you very quickly. So import the images as planes. So I have video footage, right? And I got a bunch of them, and I just want to drop it into Blender. Which one we choose? We're gonna pick this one, for example. So this one is me doing a hyperlapse on this bridge in Sydney, yeah. And it's in Blender, right? Why am I bringing random video like this? Because you can try using it with mirror, or if you can't see anything yet because I need to turn on bisect. Okay, so mirror and bisect. So they're basically what I want to show. You. So suddenly we have this kind of alien-looking world, and why is this happening? Because mirror modifier actually mirror the UV as well, and it's very useful. Probably not everyone knows this if they never use Blender, but I think this is a very cool idea. And actually, I don't need to use this mirror UV, but it's already mirroring the UV, and you can control the mirror objects. You can also do it not just in X-axis, you can do it in Y and Z. Suddenly you have this kind of alien looking graphics. And sometimes you want to flip it, actually flip in X and flip in Y. Now we have this view of Sydney, slightly more alien. Some people will recognize some of the building. So, but this also works not just on the plane. This also works on the other things. Maybe donut or UV sphere. Yeah, just use UV sphere, and then right click, shade smooth it, and apply the same shader that we just imported. And again, the same drill. You want to do mirror, just mirror it on all XYZ axis, and you can actually jump and go inside it. And take a look from the inside. Maybe something simpler. But inside the sphere, you can bring in Suzanne. So sometimes it does something unusual. It might be that the image has some kind of alpha or something. There we go. Should be a little bit like this. So back face is turned off. And because it's slightly a little bit abstract anyway. Maybe just make this being cut by the sphere, and you go inside it. Suddenly you have this room. Let's save this very quickly. Mirror world. So because everything is a little bit weird and everything is a little bit abstract, you can actually just use displacement to the plane and make it. You can apply this image and turn it into displacement. Yeah, why not? You can try doing that as well. So mirror, we did the mirror, but the mirror itself does not change the UV. If you ever want to render it, that's actually a good point. If you ever want to render it, find a Blender add-on called PBR Baker. So you should be rendering this, right? And you want to output this. So you need to bake this guy using cycles. There's a PBR Baker here by Oscurart, or there's another add-on that actually can bake the animations. It will bake this based on the UV projection on itself. So you're gonna get this result. I'm gonna show, maybe I just render it for you at some point. But once you have it rendered and nice, you can turn it into a video that you can project map into a 3D as AR. Okay, so that's the idea. It should be fun, and you can bring in your head. In this case, I'm just using Suzanne head. So now you are inside this alien world, and you're looking at it differently. Anytime, if you like, you can always bring in other video. So import images as planes once again. Let's see, Hyperlapse. Usually I just drag and drop my video here into Blender. Just pick the one. So I pick another random video. Oh, it's actually reflections. Yeah, that should be cool. Add modifier, mirror, and just bisect it. So this is a footage from Darling Square or Darling Harbor water. It's also something that we can use inside our dome. So hopefully you like this idea. I know it's pretty abstract. It's actually really simple as well. Simple to do. It's always about like just mirroring it. So now with Suzanne and the world's mirrored. Now you're inside it. This technique actually, this mirror and flipping, etc. It helps with the UV, right? It's basically just modifying the UV. So I've done this in the past where you just make use of the UV of something like maybe like a cylinder or something, because it's already kind of projected into a 3D model. You can kind of do a reverse projection. You are projecting your video into your 3D objects, and then you bake it out, and then you use that as an AR texture. I think that's can be fun for kind of like art setup. So we have, and usually it's good to stick on the Eevee, and yeah, turn on ambient occlusions and turn on bloom, things like that. The thing with the video, of course, we bring the video as image, but we can also play around with the shader. So this is the video coming in. You can just plug in to color ramp, or you can even use it with other things, you know. So we can change the color very quickly. This is like it's looking at the grayscale of the video, just turning it into this abstract, really quite abstract image. You can always mix it with other nodes, so it's endless. In fact, with this with the UV itself, you can really get really quite random already. So this is the UV, not as obvious in the sphere. So this is a good one. Save. You can use other UV geometry, or use maybe Voronoi. Just plug this into the vector. Oh, the Voronoi is a little bit too crazy. Yeah, why not? But you can use the geometry or texture coordinate that's actually generated. Just plug it into the Voronoi. I don't know, one of these anyway. This one, of course, is just like texturing the Voronoi into the video, and we lost our mirror anyway. This is probably not a good idea. We can probably mirror it inside here, inside the nodes. I don't want this. Maybe I should mirror it and then run it through this filter. So yeah, so there you go. That's a random abstract uh, and easy to create effects using video. All right. So thanks again for tuning in. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.